We are going to do something special today, and we're going to look at something that I had never heard of before, like so many times before in some of my videos. And this time we're going to talk nails and nail polish. Hi guys and welcome. I'm Nina and this is Honestly Plus Size, where I talk about most things plus size, but also other things. Like today we're going to talk a bit of beauty products. And I am going to talk about something called Shine Galore London. I don't know if it's just the location or if that's part of the name. This is what it looks like. I want to show this because this is quite special. You know, I always used to paint my nails when I grew up, and the older I get, the more fragile my nails get. So unfortunately, they're not the funniest looking today, and I don't normally go to the nail salon. I have my own. So I'm going to paint these and show you, even though they're a little bit silly at the moment. But the fun thing about this is they're actually pens. So it's not your normal little dippy thing. They are pens and they're different colors, and I'm going to try them on all for you. So I'm going to show you, but I'm going to show you what they look like first. So they are completely unopened. I need to figure out how to open them first. Woohoo! Got it. This is, let's see, it's a nail paint pen. That was hard to say. And let's see what color this is. It doesn't say. 4 milliliters in each of these. Water base, easy point, nail paint pen. Not, number 6. And that is what it looks like. So this is going to be really interesting. I'm going to try all of these on. I'm going to show you. I'm going to paint my nails, even though they might not be the prettiest at the moment. And I'm going to show you how these pens work. Now there's no instructions, there's no information, nothing in here, which is a little bit sad because we also have this little bottle of clear paint. I am guessing this is a top coat. I don't know if it's a base coat, haven't got a clue, doesn't say, but I am going to try it and use it as a top coat. So yeah, we'll see what it does. Let's get on to the nails. Okay, so you saw me do that. It was easy to do, but I have to say they're a bit blotchy, and you know, you see, it's a little bit uneven. The best one was the red one, for sure. That was by far the best. These darker ones, they were a bit blotchy. And the pink one, I did actually 2 layers of that one because it was a little bit see-through. so could probably do another layer. The others I only did one layer, and then I put what I think is the top coat on top of it. So I don't know. Yeah, I'm not really sure. It's really easy to use. I wish everything was that easy when it comes to nail polish, but I'm not really keen on it at all. So now we're going to do the next test, and that is removing it. So we're going to see what happens. That goes. As usual, here in the UK, it's 511,000 degrees hot, so I'm hot. Never mind that. Now then, let's see. Let's take away some nail varnish. Let's start with the pink one and see if that works. That works. That's quite good actually. It does give a bit of a taint to the nail. Don't know if you can see that because it's not a lot. We're going to do one of the darker ones and see what happens with that. Do the black one. I think it's a black one. One wipe, most of it's gone. Let's see if we can get the rest off. And that is pretty much a no. See? I've worked quite hard on it. I do believe that you should have a proper base coat underneath to protect your nail if you're using these. I didn't, so yeah, I'm gonna have to pay for it. That didn't come out good at all. So yeah, not the best when it comes to removing it. So there we go. I'm taking them all off. All off. And as you can see, there's some residue there. Might disappear when I wash myself, I don't know. But yeah, I have to say that it was really, really easy to use. I'm not too keen on the end because it was really blotchy and all over the place. Some of them dark purple and whatever, it was almost black. It was hard to see what kind of color it was, so that was a bit sad because I was looking forward to kind of mixed different colors. The red one was really good. I like that one. And the pink one, if you paint it a couple of times, then you might get a good result. Not the easiest to take off. So all in all, if you want to try it, go on. I'm not going to push it because I didn't think it was really that amazing. I wish that there were more options like this though, where you can use a pen and just paint it on, because it was easy to do. Anyway, that was all for this little try on, and I hope you're going to subscribe to me and give me a little comment. Have you tried these before or haven't you? Would you like to try them? I have not been paid to try these on. I have not been asked to do this. This is all my decision. I saw them, they look fun, I wanted to try them on. So that's all. Until next time guys, I hope I'm gonna see you then. Take care for now. Bye.